among many people, you're probably thinking about starting some new remodeling projects.
Right.
We're getting to the spring. You're saying it's a great time to do that. This is Lori Wiles, and she's here to help you out with that, specifically anywhere there's faucets, like kitchens and bathrooms.
Right. We do a lot of kitchens and bathrooms every year, and one of the most fun things people like to do is pick out their faucet because it's something they can really touch and know that they're going to use every day, several times a day.
And it's a way, I mean, even just looking at these you brought to really put your personality or really create the style of the room that you're wanting to build around.
You know, it used to be that there was just one style of faucet. It was pretty basic, had two handles, came in chrome, and now we've just really have a huge number of different finishes that we can work on. One of the faucets I really love is this high arc faucet.
That's where the eyes are all going right now.
That's right. And it's kind of industrial looking, but it also works very, very well with those really deep single bowl sinks that we're seeing now, because a lot of people, if you have the dishwasher, you really don't need two bowls in your sink. So this is something that can pull down and
it pulls down. It's got the button.
Yep, go ahead.
Well, it's going to be hooked up when you do this. So it's got the button.
But yeah, you can move it around. Yeah, it's great. This one happens to be in chrome. It does come in some other finishes, but it kind of has that more industrial look in the silver metal tones.
Okay, and then talking about the tones, this one's more of a like brassy finish.
We've seen kind of a resurgence in the brass tones. This is a way to have a soft brass tone in rather than the really
brushed look,
really
not the
bright.
shiny.
Yeah, so we are seeing more and more soft tones. This faucet happens to be available in a touch-free model, so you actually don't have to touch this to turn it on. It can have a sensor here so that you can walk up, put your hands in front of it, and it will automatically turn on and off when you leave.
And you have that one in this kitchen model too.
This one is available that way too. This is
again a brush.
Right, this is a brushed finish, brushed nickel, and it is another option of the high arc sink. It does pull down so that you can spray it as well. These these have a single entry point into the countertop, which kind of makes it have a cleaner look overall, especially if you're going into granite or solid surfaces.
Instead of having the big old box around your faucet and everything like that.
Right.
What about this one here that we've got?
This one is really more of a luxury look. This is a polished nickel faucet. It has a little bit more traditional, we call it a widespread, so it has an 8-inch spread.
More of what we're used to seeing.
Right, it really is a nice finish. The polished nickel is very deep. It has multiple layers of finish compared to some of the others, and so it has just a more lustrous look. Yeah.
What are you seeing most when people come to you for help with their remodels? What is most popular?
Most popular is probably the chrome still, but we are moving into the other tones pretty equal. That's one of the things I really love now, is that we don't have to all be alike.
There's so much creativity, people are taking advantage of it.
Yes, and I really do see people moving on the people that are very interested in forward design are actually installing a lot of the warm gold tones or the polished nickel. But chrome is just a perpetual favorite. Goes with a lot of things. It's very durable. And it has, has a nice jewelry feel in the kitchen or bathroom.
And especially a lot of people are going, with the modern look with their kitchen. They've got their more silver appliances and everything. And this fits in really great with that technical look that everyone is going for. And then, so if people want help with this, to come and check out things, where can they see all these options for the remodels?
Our Ferguson showroom actually loaned these to me this morning, and they have a great display there. And your designer can help you find those, kind of help you weed that out, but they have some great help at the Ferguson showroom as well.
So go check out the Ferguson showroom if you are looking to maybe remodel, or maybe just get some inspiration to see if you are wanting to change around your kitchen or your bathroom. They've got a ton of ideas, all the different finishes, all the different technology things available on sinks now.